Everybody come up here so you can hear. Everybody come up here so you can hear. Everybody can hear me? When you're on a bicycle, are you exempt from the traffic laws?
No, sir.
How many of you stopped at that intersection? I can issue every single one of you a ticket right now, can I? Do you need a $250 fine?
No, sir.
Do you need a lifelike trip in a helicopter?
No, sir.
I had 24 of y'all almost take me out the other day because y'all ran that same exact intersection and almost ran into me, who was lawfully stopped at a stop sign. Y'all group together, you know all the other bicycle groups out here. Get on your social media, get on your text, get on your Twitter, whatever it is. We will issue tickets from now on to every bicyclist who breaks the law in our city. I got a big group here, so y'all put it out there. You're not exempt. The last thing I want to have y'all do is be life-lighted out of here. The rules of the road are there for y'all's safety. What if somebody hadn't stopped at that stop sign like y'all just did? How many of you would it have taken out? The car would have taken out several, and the rest of you probably would have ran into the rest of it, right? Pass it on to everybody. We will issue tickets. Pass it on to everybody that better bring their licenses with them when we issue the tickets. Y'all understand?
Yes, sir.
Please be safe.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.